Okay, so we have this DeWalt 40 volt 16-inch chainsaw, and this one had a certain problem with the tensioner, and I'll show you how to fix it. I believe that this is the same design as the 16-inch 60 volt model. Any of the ones that have a longer bar do not have this problem, but these small ones do. So when it's brand new, it seems to work fine, but as it gets older, it starts to wear out. And how this works is when the bar is loose, you use this to tension it, and then you tighten down this knob. And when it gets to the maximum, it'll click like a gas cap. And the problem is that it clicks at too low of tension. So then the bar comes loose prematurely. So we're going to show you how to fix that now. We already have fixed it, so now it doesn't click like that. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove it. There we go. And we obviously have a bunch of sawdust and some styrofoam dust in here. And you're going to take a screwdriver. So then you're going to take a screwdriver, and this whole thing is held in by these 4 locations. And so I'm just going to push this over about like this until I can get in. I'm just going to pop it out there. And there, it popped past that finger. I'm going to do it on one other one. There we go. Now it's popped out of 2. It should just pop out. That's it. Now, on a stock one, when you pull this out, it's going to immediately fall into 2 pieces. So all I did was I took this piece, so this piece is out, and I filled it with construction adhesive. And I used more than I probably needed to, but I put a whole bunch in there. Then I put this piece in, pressed it together, it oozed out everywhere. I cleaned these threads out, and that's important because these threads are necessary. So I cleaned those threads out while it was, because what that's doing is that's tightening in on there. So you don't want any construction adhesive in the threads, but you want it all through here. And then I smoothed it up real nice, let it dry for 24, 48 hours, and that is totally a permanent fix.
Fixed it. And so now my wife, Charlotte, loves what Keenan did to fix it, and it was not complicated. And then when he puts it back together,
so you just snap it back together,
and Bob's your uncle.
There you go.
And that fixes the DeWalt wonderful 16-inch saw. I just got a new blade for it, and Charlotte had this for almost 4 years, and she loves it. And see that? There's the difference right there.
You can tighten it as much as you want. Be careful not to break the plastic handle. And there you go.